All right, we're just going to take a quick look at a couple polynomial divisions using the synthetic division. So the first one we have x cubed minus 8, we're going to divide by x plus 2. So when we set up that synthetic division, we're going to use basically, like, I think about it as the 0 of that factor. So I'm going to put a negative 2 in there. And then I'm going to use the coefficients of this polynomial. And so notice that it's degree 3, but there's no x squared and x term. So I'm going to put a 1 in for the coefficient in front of x cubed, then a 0 for the x squared, a 0 for the x, and then a negative 8. So those are acting like placeholders. So then to do the synthetic division, I bring down my 1, multiply it by negative 2, then I have that. I combine those, that makes negative 2. Multiply that, I get a positive 4. Add 0 and 4 together, I get 4. And multiply, and I get negative 8. And that combines to make negative 16. So again, I have these coefficients here, 1, 0, 0, negative 8 for the coefficients in front here, which would be a 1, and then there's really like 0x squared plus 0x, and then minus 8. So there's the 0, 0, and then minus 8. That's the coefficients that I have inside here. So final answer for this synthetic division, we kind of go backwards and we write where all these digits come from. And this is going to be my remainder. This is my constant, so no variable on that. This is my x term and then my x squared term. So I kind of count up like that. So it'll be 1x squared minus 2x plus 4. And then my remainder is negative 16. And I write that over the thing I divided by, which was x plus 2. So that is my answer. Next one that I have, this one has all of the coefficients. It has a 2 in front of the x squared, has 30 in front of x, and then it has that minus 20. So it is doing that countdown. So I write 2. Oops, I wrote that incorrectly. Let me fix that. It was actually a 3x. So we're going to write 2 and then 3 and then negative 20. Again, for this x plus 4, we're going to write minus 4 for the 0. And then we keep on going. We bring down the 2, multiply, that's negative 8. Add those, we get negative 5. Multiply, we get positive 20. And this time we get a 0 for our remainder. That means that negative 4, this negative 4 is a 0, which also means this x plus 4 is a factor. And my answer to the division problem, since I have 0 remainder, this negative 5 is the constant, and again, counting up, that's no x, then we have an x, and then next would be x squared, but there's no term there. So we're just going to write 2x minus 5, and again, no remainder. So that is my answer from doing that division. So hope that makes sense.